Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO V50 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. At first, open your phone gallery, then choose the contact that you want to personalize, select edit and mark add picture. And now you can either choose something from illustrations, from Google Photos, from device photos, and here you can tap on camera if you want to grab photo right now, or you can select gallery and choose the photo that you want to cover the screen with. Now customize it however you like. You can also rotate and then mark choose. To save it, just click on save, and that would be all. So this is how we can add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.